Creating and selling puzzle books on Amazon KDP can be a fantastic way to earn passive income, especially with tools like BookBolt that simplify the process. Many aspiring authors and entrepreneurs wonder if selling activity books, such as word searches, crossword puzzles, and brain teasers, can actually generate real profits. The answer is yes, and with the right strategy, it can become a sustainable and lucrative income stream. Understanding Amazon KDP and its potential for passive income. Before diving into the process, it's important to understand what Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, is and how it works. Amazon KDP is a self-publishing platform that allows anyone to publish books, including both traditional content books and low-content books like journals, planners, and activity books. What makes KDP so appealing is that it operates much like a print-on-demand service. You don't need to maintain inventory or handle shipping logistics. Amazon prints and ships your books whenever someone places an order. This means there are no upfront costs, no need for bulk printing, and no storage fees. With worldwide distribution across Amazon's various marketplaces, you can reach a global audience and earn royalties from each sale. For those seeking passive income, Amazon KDP presents an exciting opportunity. Once you create a book and list it for sale, it has the potential to generate income for months or even years with minimal ongoing effort. Why activity books are a profitable niche. Activity books cater to a broad audience, including both kids and adults, who seek engaging, screen-free entertainment. Whether it's a word search for seniors, a math puzzle book for kids, or a themed crossword book, these books provide a fun and educational experience. In today's digital world, many people still prefer the tactile experience of a physical book. This is why journals, planners, and activity books remain popular, even as digital alternatives exist. Activity books in particular have an advantage because they make excellent gifts. Since Amazon is a go-to marketplace for last-minute shopping, these books are frequently purchased for holidays, birthdays, and other occasions. There are countless types of activity books you can create, including word search books for kids, adults, or themed variations, crossword puzzle books, Sudoku books with different difficulty levels, mazes and brain teasers, dot-to-dot and coloring books, logic puzzles and memory games, seasonal or themed activity books, such as Christmas or travel-themed books. The best part is that you don't need to be an expert puzzle creator to design these books. With the help of tools like BookBolt, you can generate professional quality activity pages with ease. How much can you earn selling activity books on Amazon KDP? Many authors have reported earnings ranging from a few $100s to several $1,000s per month by publishing low-content books on Amazon KDP. The potential for success depends on several factors, including the niche you choose, how well you market your book, its pricing, and customer reviews. Using BookBolt's cloud feature, successful books in this niche have been analyzed, showing impressive results. One best-selling activity book sells over 900 copies per month at $8, generating $8,000 in sales. Imagine if you had 4 or 5 activity books, each performing even half as well as this example. It's entirely possible to earn $2,500 or more per month in royalties. And what's even more inspiring is that some books with fewer than 10 reviews, published just a few months ago, are already ranking among the best sellers. Additionally, books published years ago are still making 600+ sales per month. This demonstrates the long-term earning potential of this business model. Step-by-step guide to creating and publishing your own activity book. Now that you've seen the potential earnings and demand for activity books, let's walk through the process of creating and publishing your own using BookBolt. First, research profitable activity book ideas. Before you begin designing your book, it's crucial to ensure there's a market for your idea. Researching trends will help you avoid overly competitive niches while ensuring there's enough demand for your book. Start by signing up for a free trial of BookBolt, which provides access to tools that help you analyze the best-selling books in different categories. Use the cloud tool to search for activity books within a specific niche, such as math puzzles for kids or word searches for older adults. You will need to find a balance between demand and competition. Look for books selling at least 55 copies per month, even beyond the top 3 to 7 bestsellers. Avoid niches with more than 2,500 competing books on Amazon. 3. Try to narrow your focus. 3. Instead of a generic activity book, consider more specific themes like Sudoku puzzles for animal lovers, scissor skills activity books for toddlers, sports-themed activity books for kids. Step 2. Choose your book's trim size. Once you have a topic, decide on the trim size. Book dimensions. Research similar books to see what sizes are popular in your niche. BookBolt provides size recommendations that align with Amazon KDP's print requirements. Step 3. Create your book. Using BookBolt. With your research done and trim size selected, it's time to create the book. 1. Sign in to BookBolt's Creator Studio and start a new project. 2. Choose paperback, black and white interior with white pages, the cheapest for printing. 3. Use drag-and-drop tools to design your book's cover and interior pages. 4. Utilize BookBolt's automatic puzzle generators to create Sudoku, mazes, word searches, and more. 5. For word-based puzzles, upload custom word lists in CSV format to ensure originality. Additionally, you can buy pre-made templates from sites like Design Bundles, then upload them to BookBolt for further customization. Once your book is complete, download the files. You'll receive a PDF of your book's cover and a PDF of your book's interior pages. Step 5. Publish your book on Amazon. Sign up or log in to Amazon KDP and navigate to the bookshelf section to create a new paperback. 1. Enter book details: title, subtitle, author name, description. 2. Select I own the copyright under publishing rights. 3. Upload your manuscript and cover files. 4. Assign an ISBN for your book. Amazon provides a free one. 5. Set a price and select distribution territories. 6. Submit your book for review and approval. Once published, your book will be available on Amazon worldwide. Maximizing your success on Amazon KDP. To ensure long-term success, follow these best practices. 1. Create multiple books. Aim for at least 3-5 to increase visibility. 2. Run Amazon ads to boost initial sales and rankings. 3. Encourage book reviews as they influence purchase decisions. 4. Promote your books on social media, blogs, and YouTube. 5. Join Amazon's affiliate program to earn extra commissions on book sales. Selling puzzle and activity books on Amazon KDP is a fantastic way to build passive income, and with tools like BookBolt, the process becomes much easier. By researching profitable niches, designing engaging content, and marketing effectively, you can establish a steady stream of royalties month after month. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, this is a business model worth exploring. Well, that sums it up, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates on KDP. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.